Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Elite Team online meeting. My name is Ling Ling from Las Vegas, United States. As we all know, in today's fast-paced world, making informed choices about nutrition, supplementation, and business opportunities can be overwhelming. Today, we're going to have a short introduction about our company, Calerie Life, its founders, its birth, and its future in the network marketing field. After today's meeting, hopefully you will be empowered with the knowledge and the tools you need to navigate the world of our supplements and our business opportunities. We'll also explore the science behind the supplements, helping you understand their benefits and how to incorporate them into your daily life effectively. Calerie Life is one of the top nutritional supplements company in the U.S. At Calerie Life, the mission is to create miracles within you by build better nutritional products and promote the health and well-being of individuals and families around the world. At Calerie Life, we value our hardworking brand partners. So the company's goal is to help our entrepreneurs to make our dreams come true on this global platform. Now, let me introduce you to our founders. First is our CEO and founder of Calerie Life, Mr. Steve Flipsy, our founder, Dr. Lin, and our COO, Mr. Bogle. Dr. Lin is a polymer chemistry scientist. He's also an expert in dietary supplement industry. As a founder, he's in charge of all the manufacturing side of the business, including research center, laboratory, sourcing raw materials, productions, and logistics. He and Mr. Steve Flipsy, our CEO, are friends for many, many years, and they both worked together in the supplement industry for over 20 years. Mr. Steve Flipsy was a United States Air Force bioenvironmental, an expert in computer information engineering. They partnered for the supplement factory called For Accessory, which produced all Calerie Life's dietary supplements. Because of Mr. Steve's background in computer science, he is in charge of Calerie Life's online global platform operation. Mr. Bogle is the Calerie Life Chief Operating Officer, and he is in charge of global marketing. He's a senior business planner and marketing strategy expert. He's been in this network industry for more than 20 years. Calerie Life was founded during the pandemic. The grand opening was in December of 2022, after 2 years of soft opening in December of 2020. The newest headquarters is in prime location, the top floor of the most prestigious Spectrum Center in the Irvine area of Los Angeles. It is truly magnificent, overlooking the entire Los Angeles area. Let me show you a video of our headquarters.
Welcome to Irvine Spectrum, Orange County, California, the home of Calerie House Global Corporate Headquarters. Now let's take a look around. In the spirit of altruism, long-termism, balanced symbiosis, we sought a location that would inspire social connection, social wellness, and social well-being. The ability to have positive, meaningful relationships and to inspire the health, wealth, and beauty of individuals across the globe. In this 21-story high-rise along the Spectrum skyline with its incredible 360-degree panoramic views and the resort-like amenities, there's no doubt that this location is sought after by some of the top talent in the world. As we continue to strive for best-in-class, industry-leading, we are confident this location will support our long-term global mission and vision by fostering positive, meaningful relationships. After all, helping others is a key component to social behavior, and we remain dedicated to helping others grow, prosper, and thrive. So please join us on our global mission to help others create miracles within, where self-care starts with self-care.
Now, let's look at the parent company of Calerie Life. For Calerie is one of the top 5 healthy supplement manufacturers in the United States in terms of comprehensive strength, with over thousands of products formulas and over 160 OEM companies around the world, with 19 authoritative certifications, owning SOD and NMN raw material factories, along with a dedicated team of research PhDs and laboratories. The company covers a complete service chain from products research and development, raw material production, products processing, finished goods, packaging, warehousing, to end consumer sales. This one-stop service approach ensures cost effectiveness of the products and guaranteeing the products' qualities. Let us dive into the tour of our factory for Calerie.
So my name is Steve Flipsy, and I'm originally from Billings, Montana. My education is computer information systems. I've been in the supplement industry for about 20 years, so has Lynn. We actually got our start in the supplement industry together at the same company.
I met Steve at 2003, 17 years ago, and from our previous company. I worked in the lab with him side by side and become a best friend.
We met in Spring Hill, Tennessee. He was a graduate of Georgia Tech. Fresh out of business school, he didn't have a whole lot. He was a new graduate. He was rocking a Mazda 626, I think. We still talk about that a lot, his humble beginnings.
Yeah, well, I have very long hair when I was in Georgia Tech. It's kind of funny. Look at the kid walking to school every day. I came from a farm. Very
humble beginnings.
Very humble beginning, yeah. Fortunately, education has changed me a lot. From China to America, Atlanta. From the farm boy, go to college for my PhD in chemistry. Give me lots of opportunity. I work almost 24/7, study 24/7 in the lab, doing research.
He's very driven, works very hard. It's honestly, I consider myself hardworking, but he sets another standard. He's actually pretty exhausting to be around.
Yeah, I know, yeah. In 2014, Steve and I found the company with name called For Excelsior. The first 2 years is very tough. When you put the quality in front of everything, your cost is not the best, it's not the cheapest on the market.
The first year, For Excelsior struggled like most companies do, but we really started to gain momentum when we found true business partners that cared more about the partnership than they did about the bottom line necessarily.
We want to differentiate our For Excelsior with other companies is we put scientists into our product, in our formula. Before we actual production, our team has fully understand how to handle this formulation, how to understand the chemical property, and how to put this formulation into finished product. We build up the Excelsior Nutrition from scratch. Steve and I, we have lots of challenges and we have lots of difficulty.
I mean, just the regulatory requirements to build the manufacturing from scratch. Buy a facility that wasn't set up for manufacturing, to set that up, build it out with regulatory requirements, because we're an FDA registered CGMP compliant facility. The regulations that go in to being able to manufacture dietary supplements in this facility is quite a challenge. I've been in the supplement industry for, I think, 20 years, working with some of the biggest manufacturers and brands in the industry. Over that time, it was very rare that we would ever encounter a company that was fully integrated, vertically integrated. And by that, I mean that they owned their manufacturing, their supply chain, and the intellectual property that goes into bringing products to market. And For Excelsior gave us that opportunity to be truly vertically integrated.
Steve Felix is the founder of Calerie. Steve and I work together to come up with the concept.
At Calerie, we're backed by science. We're inspired by a study that documents the longevity benefits of a calorie-restricted diet. And essentially this study shows that the only proven longevity diet is that of a calorie-restricted diet, and that's because it promotes autophagy or cellular renewal. And our products also promote autophagy or cellular renewal, and that's why we like to say self-care starts with cell-care.
Excelsior Nutrition had partnered with Calerie, fully integrated with Calerie company. We help create formulation, manufacture the finished good, deliver the finished good into Calerie warehousing, help them shipping this Calerie product into end user customer. The most exciting for the Calerie product is the SOD plus MMM. At this moment, the scientist has been approved the efficacy for MMM. It brings lots of benefit for our customer. I'm very excited for this combination, for this unique formula.
During our pilot studies, we received a number of exciting testimonials which are very far-reaching and encompass everything from improved energy, improved cognition, better sleep, and an improvement in well-being as well. Obviously, in the next 1, 5, 10 years down the road, we're going to be opening other regions, other countries. But what excites me most over that time frame is the brand development, the R&D work, specifically the product development that we'll be doing. Our company culture is all about integrity and ethics and bringing on the individuals that will help us bring high quality products to the end consumer. Our mission is to help people live longer, better, healthier lives where self-care starts with cell-care.
So today's meeting, we focus on the company and the manufacturer. And also we're going to focus on the business side, which is our compensation plan. But before I introduce you to our team leader, Easter, explain about the compensation plan, I wanted to share a little story about my husband who diagnosed with the autoimmune disease in 2023, which is called CIDP, after the vaccine shot. And when the doctor says there's no hope, he will be taking the medications for all his life. He won't be able to become a normal. But we took advice from Dr. Lin, our founder of the Calerie and also the manufacturer for Excelsior. He told me, that Lin, try this Alpha Hope, PQQ Alpha Hope. It may help your husband. And we did. After 4 months, he took this pill and he started to walking again. And now he's just living a normal life. I'll let him to tell you the story about his changes.
Hello, everyone. Nice meeting you online. Warm greetings to all elite team members from hot Las Vegas in the United States. My name is Andre Surmat, and I am now living in Las Vegas, and I'm retired after 35 years in the gaming industry. Today, I would like to tell you my story about how Calerie Health helped me to overcome a serious health condition. So my story begins with the arrival of the COVID vaccine in 2021. I was, as many other people at the time, I wanted to get the vaccine as soon as it became available. So I received the first shot in January of 2021, and the second 1 month later in February of 2021. Unfortunately, my immune system did not take the vaccine well. About 3 or 4 months after the second dose, I got very sick. I was so sick, as a matter of fact, that I could not continue working. So, as you can imagine, it was a challenging time, both for me and my wife. So, my health deteriorated to a point that I was not able to walk. And as a matter of fact, I had to use a wheelchair. So it was really difficult. At this time, as you may remember, doctors refused to even consider a possibility that the vaccine could have a negative side effect on anyone, for that matter. And so I had a really hard time to find a doctor who was able to identify the problem which I was facing with me unable to walk. So I visited the emergency room multiple times, but every time I went to the emergency room, they could not identify a reason why my muscle have deteriorated to a point I was not able to walk. So I visited the emergency room many, many times, maybe 8 or 9 times. And every time they sent me home saying, what you probably need to do is to find a physical therapy to get your muscles back. So that, of course, was not a very helpful answer because my health was deteriorating. So I did try physical therapy, but that did not have any positive impact on my health. So it took 5 months looking for a doctor who was able to really understand the cause of my health condition. And that doctor prescribed a number of tests. And some of those tests were very painful. Needles in my legs and all kinds of stuff, which resulted in the doctor being able to diagnose me with an autoimmune disease. It's called CIDP, which stands for chronic inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy. It's a serious condition, and if not treated, it actually can result in death. So to stop the progress of the disease, doctors typically prescribe a vaccine, injection, which is called IVIG, which I received, and I was taking that for every 3 weeks. So at the same time, my wife, Ling Ling, joined Calerie Health. Calerie Health at that time released a new product that was the Alpha Hope. And she tried to convince me to take it. I was quite skeptical in the beginning, but I took it. And I was taking about 4 tablets dissolved in water every day. And my health started slowly improve. At the same time, so happens that I turned 65, and my injections, the IVIG injections, had to be reapproved by Medicare. So that was a lengthy process. That it turns out it took 4 months. And during that time, I was taking Alpha Hope, I was exercising, and I started feeling better. So when the approval was issued for continuation of the IV injections, I decided not to take it. So just continue with the Alpha Hope. So, the recovery, I believe I fully recovered. I was so much better that I was getting my life back. So about a year and a half ago, I redid all the tests, which led to my diagnosis earlier, the CIDP diagnosis. And when my doctor saw me, first off, he couldn't believe that I was walking. And when he found out that I discontinued the CIDP, the IVIG injections, and when he looked at the results, he was really shocked. Was able to recover, and of course, my wife and I shared with him that we believe that my recovery really was attributed to the Alpha Hope, to molecular hydrogen. So my recovery really sparked my interest in molecular hydrogen. So in one of these calorie health sessions, I learned more about the molecular hydrogen, and I met Dr. Tyler LeBron, who started an organization called Molecular Hydrogen Institute. So Dr. LeBaron put together some classes at the Southern Utah University, which I took, and I've learned more about molecular hydrogen and how molecular hydrogen works, how it by drinking the hydrogen water, the molecules of hydrogen travels throughout the body and really affects every organ in your body. So in my case, I believe that Alpha Hope helped me to reduce the oxidative stress. It improved my mitochondria and also helped me to repair the immune system, which was damaged by the spike protein, which is part of the mRNA vaccine. So obviously, I am very thankful to Calerie Health, and I am extremely happy that I was introduced to Alpha Hope, and I have been telling my story to many people around the world, and many of people who listened to my story were encouraged to take the Alpha Hope, which eventually helped them as well. So thank you for listening, and best of luck. Goodbye.
Thank you very much, Andre, for sharing your story. Now, let's introduce our 5-star diamond team leader, Easter, to sharing the Calerie Life's unique composition plan.
Hello, everyone. This is Easter from Los Angeles from Elite Team. Today, I'm honored to share with you the core, the most powerful business opportunity of Calerie Life 210 composition plan. To be honest, I'm excited whenever I share with our powerful composition plan to the others. It makes me feel I'm in the casino. The money drops from the slush machine, the ding-ling-ling song. All right. Calerie 210 composition plan. There are 2 streams of income. Why do I emphasize on this 210 composition plan? Because it is not just a bonus plan. It is a complete entrepreneur system tailored for the ordinary people. It truly solved the common dilemmas of, should I start a business or do I have the ability to start a business? At Calerie, everyone has the opportunity, from a consumer to entrepreneur, from individual start to team duplication, to achieve income growth and their dreams. What is the 210 composition plan? 210 is the original participation model created by Calerie, consisting of 3 approaches. 2 means 2 zones, binary partners, full-time commitment to build a major business, achieve team multiplication, and the final freedom. 1 means 1 zone. Builders develop only 1 leg, leverage each other, and create a stable, decent middle-class income. 0 means consumer. No referrals, no building team, simply buy consumer product. You can still have a chance to receive cashback rewards. Truly, a consumption is reward model. The charm of this system is that everyone can participate and benefit. Whether you are a stay-at-home parent, employee, entrepreneur, or simply a product user, if you are willing to take a first step, the system will support you through the entire journey. 8 income streams build multiple dimensional revenue channels. It is offering both immediate and long-term income. helping you transition from earning cash to earning the future. 1. Retail bonus. The basic earning income for everyone. When you sell Calerie product, you earn the difference between the retail price and the member price, typically 10 to 20% profit. Additionally, the CV, the consumer volume from a loyal customer, helps maintain your system active. Highlights for this: zero threshold, quick result, great product quality, and high auto ship rate, stable returns. 2. Referral bonus. Encourage you to share the opportunity, invite partners to join, and earn up to $500 plus 200 miracle points per referral. If you refer 3 super packages in a month, you qualify for the Core Wheel reward plan with bonuses up to $3,900. Highlights for this: 1 referral, immediate bonus; higher value packages, higher rewards. 3. Team building bonus. Build multiple level income networks. When your team members make referrals or auto ship active packages, you earn distribution bonuses. This extends up to 17 generations, 5% for the first 10 generations, 3% for the following 7 generations. Bonuses recurs with your qualified business partner status. Highlights for this: team growth, multiple income, efforts is replicable, team drives duplication. 4. Expansion bonus. The higher your rank, the greater the profit margin. Enjoy bonuses of 5% to 68% of referral bonuses based on your rank, unlimited generations, and no cap. You earn from the revenue generated by any depths of your team. Highlights for this: rank growth equals income growth, no limit on levels, no income ceilings. 5. Team cycle bonus, cycle rewards. For every cycle of 500 PV, which is large zone, with 250 PV, small zone, you earn $35, maximum of 2,000 cycles per month, up to $104,000 monthly. Highlights for this: auto matching available to all. PV never washed out when inactive. It continues accumulate once reactive. 6. Matching bonus. Team management bonus. Be a leader and enjoy team dividends. Based on your rank, you will earn matching bonus from up to 10 generations of your team performance. As your team grows, this becomes a long-term passive cash flow. Highlights for this: leading a team, earning more, higher rank, deeper coverages, more stable incomes. 7. M&S bonus, metrics and sponsorship bonus. It benefits your family and who you loved. It includes 16 level matrix farewell bonus, 12 generations family farewell bonus, both offering monthly rewards of $1 and $3 per active business partners under you, totaling up to $200,000 monthly. Highlights for this: family members share your achievements. Benefits accumulate for stronger long-term security. 8. Global bonus, shared success in the global market. Once you achieve 1-star diamond, you are eligible for 3% of global PVs plus CVs, bonus pool paid quarterly, plus company-granted original stock shares and the points rewards, and even global travel rewards. Highlights for this: the stronger Calerie becomes, the more dividends you receive. Assets appreciation, capital growth, and global success sharing. Why choose Calerie 210 compensation plan? In summary, the 210 system offers 5 unique advantages. First, low threshold, high returns. Anyone can start without large investment. Second, A income streams, systematic support, cash flow plus equity rewards in 2 ways. 3. Clear ranking, fair promotion, more efforts, faster growth. 4. Easy to learn, easy to teach, system training, team duplication. 5th, globally applicable, one system fits all. Build your business worldwide. This compensation plan isn't just a bonus plan, it's a clear pathway to achieve your goals. No matter where you start from, as long as you follow the system and take consistent actions, your ends will never be where you began. Dear friends and partners, please contact who invite you today. Let's make a change today. This change could change your family destiny one day. Together we build. Together we achieve. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much for our team leader, Easter's inspiring speech on the 210 reward plan. I wanted to extend my thanks for all of you who joined in our today's online introduction meeting. It was a pleasure to connect with you and share insights about our healthy network company, Calerie Life. We appreciated all of you take your time and listen to us today. As we move forward, we are excited about the potential partnerships and opportunities that lay ahead. Please feel free to reach out if you have any further questions or ideas you'd like to discuss. We look forward to staying connected and working together towards our shared goals. Thank you very much again.